What does a good prompt look like?
Yeah, it defines things very well. I mean, again, very personal to everyone how they talk, but or what kind of response they need. But the first paragraph needs to थोड़ा एक फाउंडेशन सेट कर रहा है, आपको क्या काम कराना है. फिर अब उसमें आपको कुछ कुछ चीज़ें AI को नहीं करने देना है, तो आप उसको बोलोगे कि ये जैसे ट्रैवल गए, सो डोंट लुक फॉर एनी प्लेस इन अंधेरी, एनीवेयर एल्स बट अंधेरी. सो आपको वो थोड़ा थोड़ा मिनी नजेस देने हैं. आपको कोई जगह अच्छी लगती है तो आपको एक स्पेसिफिकली कोई चाहिए तो इसी जगह बुक करना है, और या फिर आपको वेग रहना है. तो डिपेंड्स आप उस प्रॉम्प्ट में आपकी कैसी नीड है, आप हाउ बेटर यू आर कन्वेइंग इट इन योर वर्ड्स.
So prompt engineering means first is okay.
I mean, it's a process.
First is you define कि आपको क्या चाहिए. फिर उसके बाद do's, then don'ts, and then you enter. Is that a good prompt, or is there more to it?
Yeah, this is a very good foundationally. Like, so you need to say what you need to get done and the negatives and positives of it. What not
to include, what to include.
What to include. And उसके बाद आपके personally आपको जो भी बोलना है.
Do you feel एक टाइम बाद बहुत biased हो जाता है AI? ChatGPT और Claude, like वो आपको वही answers देंगे जो आपको चाहिए.
I mean, that's going to happen because for these corporates, उनके लिए main benefit है कि आप उनके platform पे रहे. So for that they want that they make sure you feel good. Just like how social media works. So they want it to happen. So I think systems are going to evolve to that. And also every AI system have their own biases. So, Elon tweeted about it. Like, if we make AI can be anyone. If we fine tune it better on the right wing, it become racist. Like if we fine tune the AI on the type of content which is anti-liberal, it become racist, and if not, it become completely liberal. So you can't actually build a non-biased AI. So there was this meme, Mecha Hitler. I'm not sure if you heard. On Twitter it was happening, but the Grok turned into Mecha Hitler and started like talking like that. So there's always a biases, I think, in AI. And it's gonna stay. I mean, because it's trained on some data, and every data will have some kind of biases. You can't have like a clean AI.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.